Hi everyone, my name is Tisha. You are seeing the Kind family. This is your cook Tisha now, and it's snow day in Canada, so let's clean snow. There's a lot of snow, look. Let's clean it. Look over there, guys. That's so much snow.
Like
What am I doing here?
That's what you want to clean?
No, not yet. I want to clean that.
Hi, Papa.
I'm thinking.
What are you thinking?
There's some snow over there. Oh my god! It's only our places that is not clean. Look at that. Wait, maybe we can put one of it. We can put a pile. You see that pile over there?
Guys, there's so much today.
What are you doing there? It is snow day, so why don't we have some fun? Skylar, come back here.
Look at the people who came to clean snow. They're inside here playing.
I'm thinking.
What are you thinking? Yeah, I don't know if they are cleaning or they are just here to make fun of me. They said they wanted me to record them while they clean snow. And this is me. Woo!
I don't know how I'm going to suffer in this cold. Oh my god!
What has your God done?
Oh my god! Hey! You guys, you don't want to come to Canada. Because you are the only come to Canada when it's summer. Hey! Hey!
Use that one. Use the green one.
What did you really help?
Use the yellow one. Sorry.
Daddy, your car is
Sound.
Let me go clean mommy's car. Bye guys, I'm gonna clean mommy's car.
Mama, you cannot clean my cow. How are you gonna go there?
Well, I'll try.
You cannot, Mama.
Here we go again, guys.
Hi, Papa.
I'm using the camera. Is it so good there? I'm the king of the castle. Hey!
Good job, Pa. You did it.
Thank you, Papa. Good job. Clap yourself. Clap yourself. job.
Well done.
Good job.
Bye. Thank you, Shino.
Mismanage my funds on you.
Hi, Papa. Papa, let me see your hands. Your hands are cold. Where are your gloves? You don't know where your gloves is. Then why are you holding the socks? These are your gloves. These are your gloves. Yeah. Yeah, this boy literally went and got this thing, a socks to put on his hands. Anyways, let me fix it for you, baby. Okay, guys, give me the perfect what? No, shush. Oh my God. All right, everybody, I'm going to say 1, 2, ready, go. Look at me. Cookie. Say, I'm not seeing you. Cheese. Everybody say cookie. Look at me, guys.
Oh,
That's not there.
Yeah.
Happy Saturday! I want to go pee. Happy Saturday! Happy Saturday! Daddy?
Use your own.
You guys, I can't even take off my hands from my pocket.
Help me with yours.
Hey, what are you doing? You guys, look what Shay's doing.
The things Shane does, yo.
Daddy, Daddy! That looks fun.
I know.
Hi. Happy Christmas.
Hi.
Are you having fun?
I know.
That's you.
Let's go on the slide.
They literally came out here that they wanted to clean Sino, and I don't know what they're doing.
You're gonna stop there.
And I'm gonna laugh at you. Are you stuck?
Wow, this is gonna be difficult.
I told you. Do you need help? Good.
I don't like snow days. I got stuck. Well, it's still funny.
I know.
It's actually funny. Mom, yuck.
That's mine.
You guys, who does need to slide down?
Mommy's sliding. Be careful. Don't get stuck again.
That was fun. You guys.
That was funny, Papa. Wow, guys. How am I gonna come out? This is crazy. Damn.
I can't even open Mommy's door.
mommy.
Thank you guys for watching the snow day, and I hope you guys have an amazing day. Mwah. Bye guys. Mwah. Peace.